Trying on the Dark Swan of Denmark Secret Cluster Lashes. First, I'm using the style Secret 04 Volume in the long mix, and then I'm taking the glue that comes with the lashes and placing it on the lash band. I'll be applying these underneath my natural lash. This is the best way to get that lash extension effect, so you want to apply the glue on top of the lash band instead of under it. I start in the outer corner with two 14mm lashes, two 12mm lashes, and one 10mm lash. This mix gives a nice gradient from the outer corner to the inner corner, and having a shorter lash in the inner corner also makes sure that the lashes feel comfortable to wear. I'm then taking the Lash Precision applicator and using this to press my natural lash to the false lash. Next, I'm trying on the Secret 01 Classic Lash, which has a medium fullness, which is perfect for that everyday type of lash. And then I'm trying the Secret 02 Natural. These are the perfect your lash but better kind of lash. Next up, I'm trying the Secret Lash 03 Feather. These have a feathery look to them and they're perfect if you like a wispy lash. And then finally, I'm trying the Secret 05 Intense. These are the fullest of the collection and add a lot of drama to the eyes.